Today is so blessed. And on behalf of our top management, Dr. Arlene Casata, as well as our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Sir Christian Nesper Hernandez, and the whole SDO Binyan City, I, with all the honor and privilege, warmly greet and welcome you to the Library Integration of Binyan. Behind everything, you are, we are, as well as the writers and the non-teaching personnel who happen to be the layout artists, are all enjoying in building a community that could augment our literacy, and we are honing students to be imbibed with great values and be the best citizens. Soar high, everyone, and put Binyan onto the map. Your dedication and love have contributed greatly to our initial success, and I hope it will be continual.
We have an activity dun sa school library training. Then sa hapon, we have this awarding. It really shows how resourceful Learning Resource Management section was.